In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Depop account and link it to your existing PayPal account so you can pay with your PayPal balance and receive payments from Depop directly into your PayPal account.
The first thing we need to do is download the Depop application from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile phone. Search DEPOP to locate the Depop application. As of 2021, the Depop application looks like follows with the red logo and Depop spelt DEPOP. Once you've located the application, click to download. This will download to your mobile phone. Once the application has been downloaded to your phone, open Depop. Depop will then ask you how you would like to log in or sign up to Depop. I'm going to select sign up, and this will enable me to sign up to Depop using an email account. Select sign up now. The next thing Depop will ask you for is a mobile number. This helps Depop confirm your identity. Depop has recognised that I'm using Depop from the UK. This means that I have a +44 area code in front of my mobile number that you can see on screen now. If you're from a different country and you want to use Depop, your area code may differ. But don't worry, Depop makes this easy for you. You can select from that drop-down menu to select your country of origin and then enter your number accordingly. I'm going to enter my mobile number now, but of course this is sensitive information and this will be censored within this video. But if you're following along, enter your mobile phone number with the correct area or country code. Once you've entered your number correctly, Depop will send you a verification code to your mobile phone. You will need to go into the text message that has been sent to you by Depop and enter the code that was given within the text message that you have received to the number that you have just entered. Once you've done this and you've verified that you're a real person, you then need to enter your details. First, you would enter your first name, your last name, your email account, making sure that it's an email that you have access to. There are many services like Depop that like to use your email in order to help you recover your account, so make sure you have access to your email that you're entering here. Then you would enter a username. This is the username of your Depop account, so people can follow you and your products. I've entered Anthony Allen Whitey for YouTube. Then you would enter a password. This will be the password that you will be using to sign in to your Depop account. You can also sign into your Depop account online via the website. This is where you would enter that password. Now you don't have to, but you can also add a picture, a profile picture, to your Depop account, much like you would on social networking. You can then select your interests and what sort of clothing you're interested in. In my case, I'm going to select menswear. And then you double check the country of origin, making sure that it's your country of origin that shows this place. If not, then you change the country as you see fit. You can then also toggle on and off emails that you receive from Depop. This will be sent to your email account that you've just entered. Once you've done this, it will then ask you if you want notifications sent to your mobile phone. I've selected to opt in to these notifications. Remember that you can use Depop to sell clothing and build your clothing empire, or you can buy from others that sell on Depop, and that's what makes this application so powerful. Now let's get into the next stage and let's show you how to link your PayPal to your Depop account. In this next stage of the tutorial, I want you to pay attention to the bottom tabs where you can see those icons. The one that's highlighted is the one that is shaded in black. At the moment, we're on the home page. Now we're on search. Now we're on to the next shop setup, messages, and we want to move to the far right, which is profile. This is where we will be linking PayPal to your Depop account. Here is my Depop profile, brand new may I add. You can see a gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. If you select this, it will bring you to this page. Now, from this part of your profile, I want you to select where it says Preferences. Select Preferences now. By scrolling down, you can see the Selling section and it says PayPal. Below this, you can also see Currency. You can set the currency setting of your Depop account, and you can see various currencies just to give you an idea of what's available here on Depop, for example, euros. Now that you have your currency setting, I want you to go back and select PayPal. This reads, your PayPal is not connected yet. Please connect your PayPal account and start listing items for sale and receive secure payments. I'm going to select Connect PayPal now. Depop wants to use paypal.com to sign in. If you're already not signed into your PayPal account, this is when you will need your signing details, and you would need to sign into your PayPal account in order to connect it to your Depop account. Have your sign-in details ready and enter the email and your password combination of your PayPal account. Depop is now communicating with PayPal to connect and process the right permissions so that you can start using PayPal on your Depop. Now, I have two-step verification set on this PayPal account, so I'll need to enter a verification code which is sent to me via a text message. You may need to do the same thing. Make sure that you have the mobile phone that is connected to your PayPal account in order to find the text message. And once you have the code from the text message, you would enter this into PayPal to verify your identity. Once your identity has been confirmed by PayPal, you then move on to the next stage, which is the choose a way to pay. Now, you can add a debit or credit card, but it's valid to mention that if you hold a balance with PayPal, PayPal will use that first before they try to take any payments from your bank or credit or debit card. This is important because this is how you pay with your PayPal balance. PayPal will take away from your PayPal balance first, and if you don't have the amount in your PayPal balance, that is when it will come from a bank account or credit or debit card. So as long as you have the amount within your PayPal balance, you will not have to pay with a bank account, credit or debit card. After this, you will be sent back to the Depop application to enter billing information. You can enter this as a person or, of course, a company. In this demonstration, I'm going to enter it as a person. Most of this information will be censored as is sensitive information, but you will be asked to enter your basic billing information, for example, your street address, your name, state, province or region, and your city. Once you've entered your billing information and selected to confirm the information, you have now successfully connected your PayPal to your Depop account. This means that you can list items for sale and receive secure payments straight to your PayPal.
If this video has been helpful to you, you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up button, and you can also comment down below if you have any questions or queries, and I will try to help you as much as possible. Also, don't forget that you can subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel so you can find more helpful videos like this that I create for you. And don't click away just yet, I've got more content that you will find helpful that will appear on screen in just a moment. So you'll see a playlist and you'll also see a video, and if you click on one of those, it will take you to even more helpful content like this that I create for you. So if you click on one of those or my face that appears on screen in just a moment, then you'll have some more content. Click on one of those. I just caught my microphone.